You must have seen superheroes like Captain America or mythological characters like Achilles, the hero of Trojan War, using shields to protect themselves or to secure themselves from enemy attacks. Similarly, our benevolent Mother Earth has a protective shield that protects us from the attacks of meteorites. But what are meteorites? Meteorites are solid hard balls of rocks and dust particles. They are found in space, and just like other planets, they orbit around the sun. Now, during such motion, they crash or collide with other celestial bodies. Meteorites are also known as meteors when they enter the Earth. They have the potential of causing huge craters or depressions on the Earth's surface if they collide with our planet. But nothing like that happens. Why? This never happens because the meteors burn up in the Earth's atmosphere due to friction with air. So the glowing streaks of light that we often see in the night sky happens when the meteors burn up in air. Some people also call them shooting stars. Now a layer of atmosphere protects us from these meteors' attack. Let us learn about that layer. So the layer of atmosphere that protects us from the attacks of meteors is called mesosphere. Now where does mesosphere lie? Mesosphere lies above stratosphere and it extends from 50 to 80 kilometers above the Earth's surface. So this extension of mesosphere is from 50 to 80 kilometer. Also, mesosphere is separated from stratosphere by stratopause. So, stratopause acts as a separation or transition zone between mesosphere and stratosphere. Now, the word mesosphere originates from a Greek word Mesospira, where this word means middle sphere. Now have a look at this picture. In this picture we can see that mesosphere lies exactly in the middle of the atmosphere. That is, mesosphere is the middle layer of the atmosphere. Why is that so? Because mesosphere lies above two layers of atmosphere, that is stratosphere and stratopause, and two other layers of atmosphere lies above mesosphere. So two layers lie below mesosphere and two layers lie above mesosphere. So mesosphere is literally the middle layer of atmosphere, and therefore this middle layer of atmosphere is also known as mesosphere. And this mesosphere extends from 50 to 80 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Now before we move on, can you help me to answer this? Mesosphere extends from dash above the Earth's surface. Is it from 50 to 80 kilometer? Is it from 150 to 180 kilometer? Is it from 50 to 100 kilometer? Or is it from 20 to 80 kilometer? Well, the correct answer is 50 to 80 kilometer, because we just read that mesosphere extends from 50 to 80 kilometer above the Earth's surface. Now look at this graph. This graph shows the temperature conditions of mesosphere and two other layers of atmosphere, that is stratosphere and troposphere. Well, we have already discussed about the temperature conditions of troposphere and stratosphere. We read that in troposphere, temperature decreases with increase in altitude. Now, temperature decreases till the uppermost limit of troposphere, that is tropopause. And then again the temperature condition changes in stratosphere. In stratosphere we find that temperature increases with increase in altitude. This is because of the absorption of UV rays by ozone which is present in stratosphere. And again temperature increases till the uppermost limit of stratosphere, that is till stratopause. After stratopause, the temperature condition again changes. The temperature remains constant up to a certain height, and then again temperature decreases with increase in altitude. In fact, the temperature even drops to minus 100 degree centigrade. Now, why is this the case? This is because in mesosphere there is no water vapor or ozone to absorb the solar radiations, and therefore since the absorption of solar energy is minimum in mesosphere, therefore mesosphere records lowest temperature. In fact, mesosphere is the coldest layer of atmosphere. Again, the temperature decreases till the upper limit of mesosphere, that is till 80 km. So, the upper limit of mesosphere where the decrease in temperature stops is called mesopause. So, mesopause is the upper boundary of mesosphere, and it acts as a transition between mesosphere and the next layer of atmosphere. So, just as tropopause distinguishes troposphere and stratosphere, and again stratopause distinguishes stratosphere from mesosphere, similarly mesopause acts as a transition between mesosphere and the next layer of atmosphere. So, let us summarize the characteristics of mesosphere one by one. Mesosphere is the middle layer of atmosphere because two layers of atmosphere lies below mesosphere and another two layers of atmosphere lies above mesosphere. So, mesosphere is the middle layer of atmosphere. Again, mesosphere extends from 50 to 80 km above the Earth's surface. So, this height or the extension of mesosphere is from 50 to 80 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Now, mesosphere acts like a protective shield as it secures us from the attacks of meteors, because the meteors burn in this layer of atmosphere due to friction with air. So, an important feature of mesosphere is that it protects us from the attacks of meteors. Now, we have already discussed that mesosphere records the lowest temperature due to minimum absorption of solar energy, and therefore mesosphere is the coldest layer of atmosphere. So, in today's video, we discussed in details about the middle layer of atmosphere, that is mesosphere, and we also discussed about its important characteristics. In our next video, we will discuss about next two layers of atmosphere, that is thermosphere and exosphere. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to learn one-to-one with our amazing teachers or to get access to our 5,000 amazing videos as per your school syllabus. Master each topic with our adaptive practice technology. Get million+ questions with step-by-step solutions and unlimited mock tests. Get all your doubt resolved instantly. Learn via games and win amazing prizes like PlayStations and iPads. So at DeltaStep, learning is not just fun and easy, but it's rewarding too. So register for free now.